Hello friends, hello and welcome to our another exciting episode of our series question and answer series set 52. Right? Friends, in set 52 we are diving deep into the intricate world of risk and information system control. As we explore these challenging questions, you will be better prepared to tackle your CRISC certification journey. So let's not waste any time and get started with set 52 right now. Right? In set 52, the question number 1 states, which of the following best describe the information needed for each risk on a risk register? The options are option A, various risk scenario with their date, description, impact, probability, risk score, mitigation action, and owner. Option B, various risk scenario with their date, description, risk score, cost to remediate, communication plan, and owner. Option C, various risk scenario with their date, description, impact, cost to remediate, and owner. And option D, various activities leading to the risk management planning. Friends, in this the correct answer is option A, that is various risk scenario with their date, description, impact, probability, risk score, mitigation action, and owner. Because friends, this choice is the best answer because it contains the necessary element of the risk register that are needed to make informed decisions. Right? Let's discuss the other options which are incorrect. Coming to the option B, which states various risk scenario with their date, description, risk score, cost to remediate, communication plan, and owner. This option is incorrect because this choice contains some element of a risk register but misses some important and key element of the risk register like impact, probability, mitigation action, right? So friends, that are needed to make the informed decisions, and this choice list sometimes that should not be included in the risk register, such as communication plan, right? Moving to the option C, which states various risk scenario with their date, description, impact, and cost to remediate and owner. This option is also incorrect because this choice misses some of the important and key element of the risk register like probability, risk score, and mitigation action, which are needed to make the informed decision. Moving to the option D, which states various activities leading to the risk management planning. This option is also incorrect because a risk register is a result of risk management planning, not the other way around. Right? Moving to the next question. The next question states, the board of directors of a 1-year old startup company has asked their chief information officer to create all of the enterprise IT policies and procedures. Which of the following should the chief information officer create first? The options are option A, the strategic IT plan, option B, the data classification scheme, option C, the information architecture document, and option D, the technology infrastructure plan. Friends, in this the correct answer is option A, that is the strategic IT plan, because friends, the strategic IT plan is the first policy to be created when setting up an enterprise governance model, right? Let's discuss the other options which are incorrect. Moving to the option B, which state the data classification scheme. Friends, this option is incorrect because the strategic IT plan is created before the data classification scheme is developed, right? Friends, the data classification scheme is a method for classifying data by factors such as criticality, sensitivity, and ownership, right? Moving to the option C, which states the information architecture document. Friends, this option is also incorrect because the strategic IT plan is created before the information architecture is defined. Friends, the information architecture is one component of the IT architecture, right? Together with the application and technology. So, the IT architecture is a description of the fundamental underlying design of the IT component of the businesses, the relationship among them, and the manner in which they support the organization objectives, right? Moving to the option D, the technology infrastructure plan. Friends, this option is also incorrect because the strategic IT plan is created before the technology infrastructure plan is developed, right? Friends, the technology infrastructure plan map out the technology, human resources, and facilities that enable the current and future processing and use of application. That's why the option A is correct. Moving to the next question. The next question states, which of the following is the biggest concern for a chief information security officer regarding interconnections with system outside of the enterprise? The options are option A, requirement to comply with each other's contractual security requirement. Option B, uncertainty that the other system will be available as needed. Option C, the ability to perform risk assessment on the other system. And option D, ensuring that communication between the two systems is encrypted through a virtual private network tunnel. Friends, in this the correct answer is option A, that is requirement to comply with each other's contractual security requirement. Because friends, ensuring that both the system comply with the contractual security requirement of both entities should be primary concern of the risk practitioner, right? Friends, if one system that fall out of the compliance, then they both most likely will miss their respective security requirement. Let's discuss the other options which are incorrect. Coming to the option B, which states uncertainty that the other system will be available as needed. Friends, this option is also incorrect because uncertainty of the other system's availability is probably the primary concern of the business owner and users, not of the Chief Information Security Officer, right? Moving to the next option, option C, the ability to perform risk assessment on the other system. This option is also incorrect because the ability to perform risk assessment on the other system may or may not be a concern based on the interconnection agreement between the two systems, right? Moving to the next, that is option D, which states ensuring that communication between the two systems is encrypted through a virtual private network tunnel. Friends, this option is also incorrect because communication between the two systems may not necessarily require a virtual private network tunnel or encryption, right? That requirement will be based on type of data being transmitted, right? That's why the option A is correct. Moving to the next question. The next question states, which of the following is a primary consideration when developing an IT risk awareness program? The options are option A, why technology risk is owned by IT. Option B, how technology risk can impact each attendee's area of businesses. Option C, how business process owners can transfer technology risk. And option D, why technology risk is more difficult to manage compared to the other risk. Friends, in this the correct answer is option B, that is how technology risk can impact each attendee's area of business. Because stakeholders must understand how the IT related risk impact the overall businesses, right? Let's discuss the other options which are incorrect. Coming to the option A, that is why technology risk is owned by IT. This option is incorrect because, friends, IT does not own the technology risk, right? An appropriate topic of IT risk awareness training may be the fact that many types of IT risks are owned by the businesses. One example may be the risk of employees exploiting insufficient segregation of duties within an enterprise resource planning system. Coming to the option C, how businesses process owner can transfer technology risk. This option is also incorrect because transferring risk is not of primary consideration in developing a risk awareness program. It is a part of the risk response process. Moving to the option D, which states why technology risk is more difficult to manage compared to the other risk. This option is also incorrect because technology risk may or may not be more difficult to manage than the other type of the risk. Although this is important from an awareness point of view, it is not as primary as understanding the impact in the area of businesses. Right? Friends, here we come to the end of set 52 multiple choice question and answer series for series. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.